So today's video is a simple hip mobility drill that you can do when you're warming up at the gym, so you don't spend ages going through hundreds of mobility techniques and movements. It's just something you can throw into your warm-up. It gets all the joints moving the way they should, and you can get on with what you enjoy, whether that's lifting or doing whatever. So the idea is that it takes all the joints in the lower body through their full range of motion and gets you ready to move. It takes you through the 90-90 position, so external, internal hip rotation. It takes you into the long lunge, so you've got a lot of flexion in the ankle. It takes you through the Cossack squat, so you've got your hips moving, opening and controlled all the way through. And it takes you into the forward hamstring extension as well. So it's a lot of bang for your buck. So next time you're going to the gym for a big leg session, or you're going to go and do some Olympic lifting, or even go out for a run, any trail running, long distance running, anything like that, short sprints, throw this into your warm up and see how it makes you feel. It should loosen you up and get you ready to go. As always, compressed, non-mobile joints make weak muscles. Mobile joints make strong muscles.